Yes, we are back to the maths class. Let us continue with the sixth lesson, multiples and factors. This was taught in the last class, that is multiples was taught. Now let us learn about factors. Suppose take an example. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 3 and 7 are factors. 21 is the multiple. I hope this you have understood. Yes? So, let us learn something more about these factors. Just move on to page number 130. Open page 130. There are some properties of factors given there. Let us go deep into it. Yes, first one. It says 1 is a factor of every number. What is a factor? Factor is a number when you multiply with those, suppose two numbers are factors. When you multiply those two numbers, you get a multiple or answer of that factor. Yes, now they are telling 1 is a factor of every number. For example, you take 16. Yes, now factor of 16, will you get 1 as factor? 1 means, yes, did you get 1 as factor of 16? Yes. Suppose 100. Will you get 1 as factor of 100? Yes. Suppose 1345. Will you get 1 as factor of 1345? Yes. You understood what is factor now? Yes. So, 1 is factor of every number. Means any number you want as answer, you can multiply by 1 and get the answer. So, 1 becomes factor. Got it? Yes. This is one of the properties of factors. Now come to the second property. Every number is a factor of itself. Just observe in the same example, children. Every number is a factor of itself. Means when you have a number in the factor place, of course you have to multiply by 1 only, then you will get the answer. So every number is factor of itself. But one condition is there, you are multiplying by 1 only. Yes? So 1 can be factor for every number and a number is a factor for itself. Got it? Yes? Okay. Next one. Every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number itself. Let me explain with some different example. Suppose, let us take 15. Okay, we have to find all factors of 15. Means by which numbers when you multiply you get 15, that you have to find out. There is a way to find out that. We will start with 1. 1 into what is 15? Okay, 1 into 15 is 15. Yes, in two tables will you get answer as 15? Yes, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. So 15 is not there in 2 tables. In 3 tables it is there? Yes. So 3 5s are 15. In 4 tables it is there? 4 1s are 15 comes? No. 4 4s are 16 comes? Not there. In 5 tables is it there? Yes. 5 3s are, but it is repeated. You can stop here. Because 5 3s are means 3 5s are and 5 3s are one and the same. Now, we will write factors. Factors of 15 are, which are the factors of 15? 1, you can go like this, children, when you write 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. Got it? Yes, these are the factors of 15. I hope now you got an idea clearly about what are factors. Just observe here, children. all the factors you observe. Third property says that the factor is either less than or equal to the number. Just to see, number is 15. We are finding factor for 15. We are finding factors for 15. Now, what does the third property say? Either the factors should be less than or equal to the number. Just observe the factors of 15. It is 1. 1 is less than 15. 3. 3 is less than 15. 5. 5 is less than 15. 15. It is equal to 15. So, by this you can understand that any factor of a number will be either less than or equal to the number. You understood? Yes. Now, let us go to the next property. Number with only two factors are called prime numbers. What is this now? Yes, let me tell you. Some numbers are there where it doesn't come in any tables except one ones. Like that you think. Okay. See, for example, 13, 17, many numbers. You also can tell some examples. Of course, I cannot hear you, but you can write down and think. Okay, 23, 41, like this. Some numbers are there which will come only in one ones. Just to observe in any tables whether these numbers come. It will not come. Such numbers are called prime numbers. I will tell you why. See, 13 is, how will you write 13? Only 13, 1 13s are or 13 ones are. Here 1 17s are or 17 ones are. Here 1 23s are or 23 ones are. 1 41s are or 41 ones are. So, factors of 13 are, what are the factors of 13 here? 1 and 13. 1 and itself. Again, factors of 17. What are those? 1 and 17. So, numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. You can find out many numbers, children, which have only two factors, 1 and itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. I hope you understood what are prime numbers. Yes? Yes. Okay. Next, a number which has many factors, like we took 15, more than 2. Many means it may be 3 also, 4 also, like that you can take. But more than 2 are called composite numbers. Just now we took an example 15. We can take another example just to know about composite numbers. You take 16. I will take 16. Again, how do you find factors? Start with 1. 1 16s are 16. Follow this method, children, so that you have a track to know all the factors, so that you don't miss any factor. Okay, next go to 2 ones. Of course, 2 into 8 is 16. In 3 tables will 16 come. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 fours are, 3 fives are 15. 16 will not come. 3 6 are 18. So, go to 4 ones are. 4 ones are, it will come. Yes, 4 fours are 16. Next, 5 ones are, it will come. 16? No. 6 ones are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 16 will not come. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 16 will not come. It should come as answer, children. Yes, then 8 ones are. You may tell, ma'am, 8 twos are, it will come. But it is repeated. So, don't write this. Only once if you write it is enough. So, don't take this. Now, therefore, factors of 16 are What are the factors of 16? As I told you, start from this side, left side. 1, 2, 4. Again 4, no need. Once is enough. 8, 16. So, any number which has more than 2 factors. Only 2 factors, what are they called? Prime numbers. Yes, if they have more than 2 factors like this, many factors, they are called composite numbers. Yes, you have to remember all these properties, children. Yes, first property says 1 is a factor of every number, because in 1 ones are all numbers you will get. Next, every number is a factor of itself. That is 1 into any number you will get the same answer. So that number is factor of itself. Then third one says the factor of any number will be less than or equal to the number. For any number, all the factors will either be less. See, 1 is less than 16, factor. 2 is less than 16, it is a factor. 4 is a factor, less than 16. 8 is a factor, less than 16. 16 is a factor of 16, but it is equal to 16. We will not have any factor which is more than the number. That is the third property. Fourth property is about prime number. Any number which has only 2 factors, 1 and itself, they are called prime numbers. Yes, then any number with more than 2 factors like this are called composite numbers. Yes, these are the properties you please keep in mind. Now move on to the exercise 6.2. It is in page number 131. Just open page 131. First question says about writing factors of the given numbers. They are given. Find the factors of the following. I have already told you the method. You have to just follow that. First question says, find the factors for the following. Which is the first number given? It is 27. Yes, take down 27. How do you write factors? Just now I told you, you should start with 1 ones are. 1, 27s are 27. You should be thorough with the tables for this. Yes. In 2 ones are will 27 come? You have to be very quick, children. 27 will it come in 2 ones are? Of course, you should see the last number for 2 ones are. If it is odd number, it will not come in 2 ones are, because you know that in 2 ones are only even numbers will come at the last. And when I say some tables, don't think only up to 10s are. 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are, 2 12s are, 2 13s are, 2 13s are 26, 2 14s are 28. That also you should know. Okay. So this it will not come in 2 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 9s are 27. Next, 4 tables it will come? No. 5 tables? No, because last digit is here odd number. 6 tables it will come? 6 ones are, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 4s are, yes, 24, 5s are 30, it will not come. 7 tables it will come, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. You have to be very fast, children. Then 8 tables it will come, no. 9 tables, again you have to write 9 threes are, it is repeated, so you should not write. You should not write. Then next step is therefore factors of 27 are. Always remember all the factors should be less than the number or equal to the number, not more than the number. Start from this side as I said, first 1, then 3, then 9, then 27. So these are the factors of 27. Got it? Yes. Next, move on to the next number, 32. This I want you to do. Okay, let me see. 32. Second question is 32. Slowly you have to do. I am giving you a hint. It should be like this, 1 into 32. Then whether it comes in 2 tables, whether it comes in 3 tables, whether it comes, you have to check. Whether it comes in 4 tables, whether it comes in 5 tables. If it doesn't come, you remove that. If it doesn't come in 3 ones, don't write. 4 you should write. 5 ones it comes or no. Like that you have to write and check. Let me see, this one you do. Third one I will do for you. Okay, 32 one number you do. 100 I will do for you. Third one. How do you do this now? Yes, again start with 1. 100s are 100. Next, in 2 tables will it come? You may tell, ma'am, it is very big number. But I think it is very easy. 250s are 100. In 3 tables will it come? Yes? 4? Yes. 4 into what is 100? I think for 100 you can find out easily. 425s are 100. If you have doubt, you may ask, ma'am, how to find out whether it comes or no. One more method is there. In working column, you can divide and check. Remainder should come 0. That means this number is a factor of that number. So for example, 2. You may tell, ma'am, you will write, we don't know how it comes. You try with this. 2 5s are 10. 0 comes down, we cannot divide, so 50. Did you get? Yes. Now 3. I said we should not get remainder. Remember this? We should not get remainder. Then only it is a factor of this number. 2 is a factor of this number because we didn't get remainder. Now 3 we will divide. Yes, 3 3s are 9, 1, 0. Again 3 3s are 9. 1 is the remainder. So 3 is not a factor of 100. So leave that. Now divide by 4. 4. How do you do? 4 2s are 8. 2 remainders, 0 down. 4 5s are 20. Did you get any remainder? No. So 4 is a factor of 100. If it is bigger numbers, you can do this way. If you know automatically, sometimes these calculations you know automatically, because when you work more on tables, you will know just by seeing the number. That time you can write directly. But if you have doubt, that's why I am working it out. So 4 is a factor of 100 and 4 into 25 is 100. Got it? Yes. Next, in 5 tables will it come? You have to check with division. Check with division. Divide 100 by 5. By 5 you divide. Yes, 5 2s are 10. 0 you bring down. You cannot divide when you bring down 0. So put one 0 up in the quotient. I hope you remember this. When you bring down anything and you cannot divide, you have to put a 0 in the quotient. So 5 into 20 is 100. 6 tables? Yes. Of course you can tell 6 tables. 6 10s are 60. 6 11s are 66. 6 12s are how much? 13s are. 14s are. 15s are how much? You know up to 16 tables I think. Yes, 16 6 are 96. So 16 7s are how much? 100 and yes. How much? We can't, correct? So in 6 it will not be there. 17 6 are 16 6 are 96. 17 6 are you have to do. It comes 102. You can't. So 6 tables it is not there. In 7 tables. Yes, will it be there in 7 tables? Otherwise, you have to divide and see every number by every number. Okay, 7 ones are 30, 7 ones are 7, 3 down, 0 down, 30, then 7 fours are 28, subtract 10 minus 8 is 2. You get a reminder. So in 7 ones also it is not there. 8 ones are, is it there in 8 ones are? Just check in 8 ones are. You have to check by dividing every number. Ones are 8, 2 is the remainder, 20 you get down. Of course you can divide but there will be remainder. 4 is the remainder. So you can't by 8. By 9 you can't, of course. By 10. Yes, 10 tens are. So I think this is the last one, because after this again where it will come, 10 tens are 100, 11, 12 tables, 13 tables, 14 tables, 15, 16, in all those tables it will not come, 100 will not come, it will come again in 20 tables, 25s are 100 which will repeat. So we can stop here. So factors of 100 are, you have to start from this side, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, many factors are there, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So all these are factors of 100. Yes, I hope you understood how to find factors for large numbers also. Got it? Yes, let us move on to the next number, that is 169. Of course, you should know tables properly for this. For 169, which are the factors? Yes, it is first thing is 169 into 169. In 2 ones it will not come. In 3 ones we have to check. In 2 ones why it will not come? Because this is odd number. 2 tables answer is always even number. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So all end numbers will be even. This is odd. So 3 ones you try. 3, how much? 5s are 15. So 6 minus 5 is 1. This is 0. 9 down. 3 6 are 18. 1 is the remainder. When remainder comes, then this number cannot be factor of the given number. The divisor cannot be factor of the given number if we get remainder. Okay. So in 4 you can't get because 9 is end. 5 you can't get because 9 is the last number. In 5 tables we get 0 or 5 at the end. 6 tables you want to try? Will 9 come at the end? In 6 tables? No. Then 7, let us try. 169 divided by 7. 7 twos are 14. So 2, 9. 7 fours are 28. 1 is the remainder. When remainder comes, we can't. Just to divide by all the numbers, children. It will not come in any of the numbers. Yes, you divide and check. It will come in which number? It comes in 13. Just we will try how it is. 13 ones are 13. Minus 16 minus 3 is 3 and 9. 13 threes are 39. So 13 into 13 is 169. So these are the only factors of 169. You can just try with other numbers also. Yes. So factors of 169 are 1, 13, and 169. Okay, so this way you have to find the factors. Now, another number is given 121. Will you try this? 121. Number is given 121. You can just try with this. Let me see how many of you will get the answer. It is very easy. It is just like this number, just like 13. Somewhere this side or that side of 13 you have the answer for this. This hint I will give you. Yes. Next number is given as 60. 60. Okay. Let us do with this. 1 into 60 is 60. Yes. 2 into 30 is 60. Yes. 3 into, see children, this is tens, but 6 you know, it comes in which all tables. So, this 0, 1 you have to add, that's all. 3 2s are, so 3 20s are 60. 3 2s are 6 and 1 0, so 3 20s are 60. Now, in 4 tables also it comes. Just check. You may tell, ma'am, 4 tens are 40. After that, we don't know. But you should know that way also. 4 11s are, 4 12s are, 4 13s are, 4 14s are, 4 15s are. Or else you have to divide and see. 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 2 is the remainder, 0 you bring down, 4 5s are. That's why I am telling you should know tables very firmly, then you can easily answer. 4 15s are, 15 4s are, 4 15s are, 60. Next, in 5 tables, will it come? Yes, where it will come? How much? 5 12s are, 12 5s are, you should know children. Then 6 tables it will come, 6 10s are, 7 tables it will come, no, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. You should know tables so that you can answer fast. 8 tables it will come. 8 8s are 64. 8 7s are 56. 60 will not come. 9 tables it will come. Anywhere? No. 9 6 are 54. 9 7s are 63. 60 will not come. 10 tables? Yes. 10 6s are. But it is repeated. 6 10s are 60. 10 6 are 60. So you can't stop here. You just write factors of 60 are. You have to list out all the factors, children. Therefore, factors of 60 are. Write down all the factors from left side first, as I told you. Otherwise, you will miss the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again from down, from here. 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. See, so many factors you have for 60. I hope you understood how to find the factors for the given number. You have to start from 1 1s are, 160s are 60. Then 2 you have to check whether in 2 tables this answer will come. 2 30s are 60. 3 20s are 60. So on you have to find out and you have to list out all the factors. Now, next 2 numbers are there, children. 49 and 36. I think one number I had given second one 32 for you to do. Then I gave 121, that is E question, 5th question. Now last 2 numbers, that is 49 and 36. I am giving it to you to work out. You do it in rough book and evening in WhatsApp class you can check with the answer which I sent and then you can write it in the classroom. Okay. So complete all this work and next we will move on to some more topics related to factors only. Okay. See you in the next class, children. Yes. Thank you.